Hello, students. Mr. Jen here with our Chapter 26 study day. The date is probably about May 22. Let's take a look at the calendar. Yep, right about here. And we're finishing up our content for the year. But let's talk about that before we get into our research paper. So we have, as always, a number of resources at our disposal. We've got the study guide, the review forum, those kind of things. This chapter had a real potential to crush souls because there's so much information and I really spread it out and I went into some more detail. But I'm not going to crush you on the last test of the year, so it's going to be pretty chill, as I say. No essay on the end. It's just matching multiple choice. Some of the questions you'll recognize, you'll have seen them before, and some of them will be new. Regardless, I advise you to maybe take a look at that study guide right here. If you can answer all these questions, there are a lot this time, you're probably in a good position to do well. Don't forget you have 2 attempts if you need them, and you can also look in the textbook and look up an answer if you have no idea. So between all those things, I'm sure you'll all do just fine as you usually do. Here's the test right here. 45 points, 2 attempts. Highest score is the one we take, and it's the last chapter test of the year, so that's pretty exciting. We'll be moving on to the research paper and then the closeout module, and boom, the school year's over. How about that? So I would say gear up for the paper. I don't think it's going to be anything too difficult for you advanced kids. Hardest part will probably be picking a person to do it on. If you need any help, though, there'll be plenty of time for me to help you with that paper. Let's see, virtual lessons for the week where we're working on that paper. Right, mostly this week right here. Virtual lessons will be dedicated to helping you with your paper, so plenty of support. That's it. Good luck on the test tomorrow. Enjoy the day today and let me know if you need me. Have a good one.